Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download games on your smartwatch. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my smartwatch and I'm just going to download games on it. So first of all I just need to connect the internet. So that's why if I just swipe down there have two options, Wi-Fi and mobile data. So I select Wi-Fi and here you can see after connect Wi-Fi, so I just need to find out Play Store. So here you can see, just open Play Store, and after open then go to search bar and search your game. So I search car game. So after that here you can see I select this on and select install. So here you can see you just need to wait for downloading. Download it, just go back. So here you can see, and here you can see this is your game. So simply open it. So here you can see it's opening. So guys, here you can see it's already open right now. If I just go here, you can see there have a option for play. You can play this game on your smartwatch very easily. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.